welcome back to my channel. You know, I am back with a video. So I'm about to do my brows with this eyebrow gel called Pending. And you know what, I'm just gonna put it down below so you guys can see the name. And this is what I've been using for the past weeks on my brows, and it's amazing. I really like it. At first I didn't know how to use it, but shoot, I have to know. And the first time I used this on my brows, I put too much in. My brows were too dark and I ended up not liking it. I think I'm doing really good with this brow thing. I got my brow done today and I really like them. I've been doing my brows myself like for the past 5 years. I never let anybody touch my brows like that. But if I let you do my brows, then I must like you and trust you. I have to like you, or not liking you, like really trust you though. I can like you and not trusting you, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is too dark, but it's gonna be fine. Right now I can see that I'm not gonna like them. I'm trying to clean them up like that. So I'm cleaning my brows with JVS Place and Magic Concealer and number 12. I'm just color correcting my eyelid, so you know, we're getting ready for some eyeshadows. I don't really know what color to use. I'm into, like, for this, I don't know, this season, I don't know, like, if it's this season or right now, I'm into dark colors. Yeah, like black smoky eye, something like that, like dark shades. I mean, I know some of you guys might notice that on my channel. Bitch, I'm filming.
Yeah, me too. I wanna film.
Okay, then get ready because I'm almost done. So we can move this table and try to make room. Okay, I'm filming. I'll be back. Okay?
Me? We can move this table. You gonna move your table.
Okay, I'm filming. Can you please? Thank you. I'm just blending this with this little sponge. So right now I'm gonna use my Miss Goss Cosmetic eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in with this black shade right here. Is this black? It looks like a green. I don't know if you can see it. I want it to be black though. Yeah, I'm just gonna pat that on my lid. This really looked like a green. And I just hope it's not a green because I'll be mad. It looks green. Do you think so? Yeah, it does look green. Like, I want it to be really, I mean, it's dark, but it's gonna look green. It's wet. I don't know, y'all. I think it's green. So now I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette called Beauty Glaze, and I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this color right called Cocoa. And I'm just trying to blend this. So when you blend, just make sure like you place the second eyeshadow on top of that, the first eyeshadow, so you can, like, you know, the edges can really blend. You can't really see where things start and stop. I'm loving this color here. Like, it's really nice. I think it's really nice. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Vintage, and I'm placing it right on top because I think it's like kind of close to this color. I'm gonna use this color as the transition shade, I can say. Yeah, it looks bland to me and I like it. And I'm not gonna do no wing liner. Yeah, I have to do a wing liner, of course. It's just wrong to not do no wing liner. Like, yeah, it's wrong. But it's just gonna be like a half wing liner, kind of. Glitter. And you guys already know I like the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and this is exactly what I am using on my face. So next I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in number 12. My favorite setting powder. And I am contouring with Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in number 3. favorite pressed powder. Add some blush. Okay, y'all already know this is my favorite highlighter.